What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Crocky Rocky from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the nose. We'll start with a curve going across from left to right. So we'll come down and then up. And fold the nostrils on top. So we're going to step down on the left, go all the way around like a circle, and then bend that in towards the bottom. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Going all the way around and then pull that in. Let's round out the center of the nose. We're going to pull this in, bend this across, and then down towards the right. Now on either side, let's draw two ovals. I'm just going to angle this down and in. And we'll fill in the inside of the nostrils. Let's go to the outside of the nose. We're going to bend the mouth. We're going to go up and then down towards the side. And we're going to add a fold on the outside. So we're going to step back in, bend the mouth, come all the way around towards the bottom, go across and up on the right side, and we'll just tuck that in. Let's place the tongue along the bottom. So we'll start on the left, we're going to go up, let's add a fold coming across, step back, go up, and then back down. I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. On the side of the nose, we're going to move up and draw in the cheeks. So we're going to start by curving this up and then out on both sides. And we're going to layer the eyes in behind that fold. From the outside, we'll step in, go all the way around towards the top of the eye, come in, and then out in behind the nose. Let's go over towards the right. Just going to line this up, going up towards the same height, come around, and then in behind that fold. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. On the left, we're going to draw an oval, going all the way up, come down towards the nose, and then back in. Draw that same size oval on the right side. And then again, we're going to fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around the pupils. Let's leave a gap from the cheeks and draw the bottom half of the head. So we're going to move over, go around the mouth, come down and in towards the middle. Just going to work our way around and up on the right side. Let's go on top of the left cheek. We're going to go up above the eye, round out the brow, and just pull that down and in. Let's leave a gap and do the same thing on the right. Going up, around, and then down. Let's close out the top of the head with a curve. Now from either side, we're going to go up in the middle, round this out, go out and then down on the right. Let's layer the eyebrows on top of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to go up, go across the head and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw that star in the center of the body. We'll start right in the middle with a point, come down and out toward the side. Add those points going out and then back in. We're going to add two more points across the bottom. Now from here, we're going to draw two straight angle lines going up and out underneath the head. Let's move out and draw the side of the body, starting on the left, then move down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side. Just going to round out the body, come across, and then pull that up and in on the right. Let's add that trim across the top of the body. Start from the side and come down, round this out, and go up. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, then the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. From the left heel, then the foot, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're gonna round out the foot, going up. Then it's down, aiming towards the heel. And I'm just gonna curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now, going from the side of the body, we're gonna bend the leg, going out and then in on top of the feet. Let's go back up to the top of the body and stretch the arms out towards the side. We're gonna start with the left, then this down and then up towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're gonna point the thumbs going up. We'll go up and then back down. Let's point 3 fingers out on either side. On the side of the thumb, we're gonna go straight out. It's at a point, coming down and in. Let's add 2 more fingers. Go out and in. Go out toward the last finger. And then from here, we're just gonna bend the bottom of the arm, coming down and then up towards the side of the body. Let's separate the wrist from the thumb, then it's around, back in. Now you want to bring the tail coming out from the right side, just underneath the arm, then the tail coming down, and then up. And we'll taper this so it gets wider as you come back in towards the side of the body. Now from the top, we're just going to work our way out towards the end with these small curves. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Crocky Rocky from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.